Now we're going to be talking about neurodevelopmental methodology and how our students are going to be able to use it. First, we have attention, and that's just mental energy, processing incoming information, and regulating output. We're going to gauge our students' attention by assessing them with fun activities such as the drawings in their posters at the park and the interactive assessment survey where they will have to pay attention to the trash around their school in order to collect data. Their attention will automatically be engaged because we're discussing a park where many of them have grown up in the area, causing them to have background knowledge. Students will also be using their neuromotor functions, which is just control over movements of large muscles. The students are going to use their specific functions of their hands and their fingers when they're actually participating in the cleanup. They're going to need to have control over their hands and fingers in order to actually pick up any items and throw them away. Students will also use their memory, and that is just storage and retrieval of information after a brief or long period of time. Students will specifically use their long-term memory in order to remember details and aspects of the park after they clean it up, so that way they can complete assessments such as the park drawing as well as the trifold poster. Lastly, students are going to use their temporal sequential ordering, which is serial processing and production of material, as well as spatial ordering, which is visual and spatial processing and production of material. So students will first use temporal sequential ordering when they are actually filling out their trifold poster by doing the before and the after aspect of it, as well as the during, so when they're actually participating. They're going to need to put in order of the events that took place. They're going to be using their spatial ordering, so in order to visualize where the items were in the park or where trash was in the park for their drawing. So they're going to actually have to show where trash was as well as what it looked like afterwards based on the visual aspects.